I thought I saw a kitty cat. I did see a kitty cat. Trying to save me. Come on, Pooty Cat, don't give up.
Wonderful brave cat trying to save my little bird.
Oh, I'll never be saved if I have to wait for that Pooty Cat to save me.
Thank goodness you're safe, Tweety.